Hi friends, welcome to Shop with Mimi. If you're new here, welcome. And if you've been here for a while, hello. I hope you're all doing great. Today's video is a little different. It's a Dollar Tree shop with me. However, my husband will be doing the voiceover. This should be interesting. This was requested by my followers on Instagram. Let me know if you enjoy this and I will talk to you in my next one.
Hey guys, this is Mr. Shop with Mimi. Thank you for joining us today as we head to Dollar Tree. Today we're starting off in the gardening section where we're checking out these planters and water fillers and some bird feeders. Now we're moving on to the light up necklaces. These are good when you want to go to Hawaii or on a cruise. We have more gardening supplies, gloves and shovels. In this section, my wife found these beautiful genie bottles. I'm not sure what comes in them, but you could probably fill them up with something. And over here we have some nice candle holders, or they might be cups, I'm not too sure. Looks like my wife found a lot of good stuff in the notebook section. We have one that says Born to Sparkle, Peace. I'm surprised she didn't knock anything over. We have a nice flower one, a notepad that says I Need Adventure. And this one says Coffee Loves You. I don't know if coffee loves me too much. It gives me a lot of heartburn. In this section, we have these nice clipboards. Let's see what else we have back here. Oop, something went falling. We have a nice rainbow clipboard. We have this flower-shaped one, and there's also one in the back. Let's see what that one is. It's a muffin. Very nice. In this section, we're going to be going through a lot of decor pieces. We have one that says God is Love. Moving on, we have this box that has a butterfly in it and it says love on it. This is a gardening related sign. And up here it's a home sweet home with a similar design. Here we have Catch Me by the Sea. Drink red wine. This sign says bless this nest. And this is us. Up here we have this small dresser that would be good for a Barbie if you have one. And there's this dog head hanger. I guess you'd put the leash of the dog there. And that dresser went falling. We have a cloud with the hanger on it. I guess you could put an umbrella on that. That would make sense. We have these door things and some albums. Very good stuff. We have this sign here. It says great memories end with dirty clothes. I wouldn't know if I agree with that. We have wash and dry laundry, so this must be the laundry decor section. We have these Bolero shampoo and conditioners. These are very good. I even use them. My wife doesn't like when I use her stuff, but I end up using it anyway because it smells so good. Up here we have the strawberry and bamboo Vava volumizing shampoo and the conditioner. Here we have the hand therapy mitts. These are very good for my wife because She used her hands a lot in the store to pick things up and drop them. This one is the raspberry and fresh mint flavor or scent. It's a very good one. Down here we have all the different bath bombs. My wife has a lot of these and she hardly uses them. We have this dial hand soap that's in the shape of the body wash, which is interesting. And we have this one that's more of a thick texture, aloe vera and jasmine, limited edition. You definitely want to get your hands on that one. And right next to it, we have this Epsom salt with activated charcoal, bath soak. Very good, calming and relaxing after a hard day shopping. Moving on to more soap, we have Cotton Candy Unicorn scented. Continuing with the unicorn theme, we have watermelon. And my favorite, the green apple. Very good. We can't forget the blueberry. That one's good too. Now we're entering a section I'm not too familiar about since I don't have that much hair. We have these Mickey Mouse or Minnie Mouse hair rings. We have the Frozen 2 hair rings and some more Frozen 2. We have Trolls, very nice hair clips. Moving up, we have these Frozen 2 hair earphones, headbands, I guess they're called. There's these nice cotton ones with pearls in them, and there goes another one falling down. Here we have a nice bow tie for your hair. And we have some more of these clips with the teeth in them, jaw clips. And they also have these small goody baby teeth clips, jaw clips. I guess those are good for your younger kids or if you have less hair. Here we have this hair twister. So I guess it's for twisting your hair up or down. And more of them in different colors and with different accessories on them. Moving on to a section I have no familiarity about, makeup. So down here we have these foundations, Wet n Wild. It's a good brand, I imagine, since my wife has a lot of it. There's this color icon powder of some sort. We have, okay, she's going through it pretty quick. We have this gel pen. Let's see what else we can find here. This lipstick, liquid catsuit, very good color, 931B. We have this other lipstick, similar brand, and it's a different color. It's a nude. Digging through, we see this Wet and Wild teardrop silicone applicator. So it's a sponge, I guess. And we have these nail files and clippers. These are familiar. Here we have some scented lip gloss by Trolls. And there's another one by JoJo's. And another Disney princess flavor or scent. I see the Coca-Cola to the left. Yeah, so this is the makeup section here. We have this lip scrub to the left and mini to the right. More troll stuff. So a lot of Trolls and Disney stuff going on at Dollar Tree, so make sure you get your hands on that. We have this makeup brush cleaner by Betty and somebody else. And some, I know what these are makeup wipes or face scrubs. Max Block After Sun Aloe Vera. And you get 25, so that's pretty good for only $1. And here we have this makeup bag that repeats the word smile a lot. We have a star within a star within a star. One that says shine with some bars going down. And one that says yay, yay, yay. To the right of that, we have these nail polishes. Nude trends. These are very good. I love to see my wife in the nude. Moving on, we have this Julie lipstick. Nail polish rather. 2-pack, so that's a good deal. You get 2 for $1. Very good deal. Just Jesse's Girl. Alright guys, that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and hit the like button. Bye bye.